always fresh. BMW remote software upgrades offer regular software improvements and new features for your car, over the air and free of charge. Time for an update. In the My BMW app, as well as in your BMW, you'll be notified about new available updates. Follow the notification to download the upgrade to your smartphone. See what's new. Explore your new feature highlights. Excited? The download process starts automatically. When the download is completed, connect your phone to your BMW via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can add the Wi-Fi connection on the central information display. Almost ready. Take a ride with a connected phone, and the update will be transferred to your car. It may take several trips. The process will continue next time if it gets interrupted. Once this preparation is completed, you can start the installation directly on the central information display in your BMW. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely, as you can't move it while the installation is running. You can also install the upgrade using the My BMW app from anywhere. Your BMW takes care of everything else automatically. When everything is done, another message confirms a successful update. By the way, for more convenience, simply activate the automatic installation of the updates on the remote software upgrade page. After activation, all future updates will be automatically installed without any effort. Enjoy a new BMW experience.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?